Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review the Mova P10 Pro Ultra. The Mova P10 Pro Ultra robot vacuum is priced at $499 and is designed to deliver a powerful, hand-free cleaning experience. With a 26,000 Pascal suction, it easily captures large debris, bad hair, and fine dust from hard floors, cabs, and carpets. Turbo Press technology applies 12 newtons of downward pressure for tough stain removal, while Smart Speed Mopping automatically adjusts up to 260 rations per minute across tile, wood, and laminate floors. The built-in PTC system heats water up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit to wash mop pads and clean the base station automatically, ensuring a hygienic home. Maxi Reach Edge cleaning and advanced navigation allow precise coverage along walls, corners, and tight spaces, while the triple anti-tangle system prevents hair rub with a side brush, V-shaped rubber main brush, and anti-tangle omni wheel. After mopping, hot air dries pad within 1 hour to prevent odor and moisture buildup. To check out this product, tap the link given in the description. The Mova P10 Pro Ultra comes with a 3-year warranty and 24/7 after-sales support. Customer reviews on Amazon indicate that users find this robo vacuum effective for cleaning multiple rooms on a single charge. They praise its navigation around furniture and obstacles, ease of setup, and quiet operation. Many consider it good value for money, noting its performance relative to the price. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The Mova P10 Pro Ultra offers strong suction and advanced leader navigation, combined with a smart self-emptying mop wash and dry base. It provides good app control and comprehensive home coverage for everyday cleaning tasks. On the downside, performance can lag on the thick carpets or with stubborn pet hair, and some users report reliability issues and less responsive customer support. Overall, the Mova P10 Pro Ultra is a capable robot vacuum that delivers powerful suction, versatile cleaning, and convenient hands-free maintenance. While it is worth the price for many users and strong option for everyday cleaning, it is not necessarily the best robo vacuum on the market, especially if you need superior performance on the thick carpets or more responsive customer support. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.